Here's the time slip from that run last night, 7:21. DA was at 2,043 feet, 195 60 foot, 1263 quarter. This is Nissan 350 or 3, I don't know, whatever. It's a Nissan Z, piece of shit, obviously. That's why I said I smoked that motherfucker, because almost 2 seconds faster. He was I was laughing at how far back he was in my mirror. Anyways, so that's that time, and no prep tracks suck, so yeah. This is the time slip from the second video clip. It's a 205, 60 foot, 1271. The DA got slightly better, maybe down to 1,900 feet. So, and I picked up a mile an hour, obviously because the DA got better. And I went to make another pass, and they told me I needed to pay for more because I had already gotten 3 passes. The first pass was a 1301. And that's when I realized that no prep is shitty, real shitty. So I will never ever do that again unless I'm doing it for $45,000 like the guys on TV, because that's a waste of time. This is a little addendum I forgot to mention because I was rewatching the video clip after I edited the footage together with the time slips. You watch the first clip, you see me turn traction control back on. So the very first pass of the night, which I'm not showing you a time slip because it's a waste, it's at 1301. I had traction control off because I got drag radials. Focus. And since I got those, traction has not been an issue. I've been running traction control off at the track the last two times. So I figured even with a no prep and drag radials, it should have still hooked up, but it didn't. And so the first pass was a waste. So then I turned traction control on for the 1263. Then the DA got just a little bit better, so I turned it back off thinking, you know, that would help a little bit with the power. But if you listen in the second clip, you can hear the tires brake just a little bit on the start. And I tried to feather it, but still, no prep is no bueno. So, yeah, definitely worth noting that traction control on a no prep is probably not a bad idea. Definitely would help be more consistent. So